Welcome to Passive Profit Plan. Today's video is about email marketing secrets for affiliate marketers. If you're an affiliate marketer looking to harness the power of email marketing to drive conversions and boost your affiliate sales, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll reveal effective strategies and secrets to help you unlock the full potential of email marketing. Let's dive in. The first secret to successful email marketing as an affiliate marketer is building a targeted and engaged email list. Focus on attracting subscribers who are genuinely interested in your niche and the products you promote. Offer valuable lead magnets, exclusive content, or enticing incentives to encourage sign-ups. Remember, quality over quantity is key. Building a smaller but highly engaged email list will yield better results compared to a large but uninterested audience. The next secret is to segment your email list based on your subscribers' interests, preferences, and behaviors. By segmenting your list, you can send targeted and personalized emails that resonate with each group. This increases the chances of conversions and affiliate sales. Utilize tools like tags, custom fields, or automation software to segment your list effectively. This allows you to tailor your email content, recommendations, and promotions to specific segments, maximizing their relevance and impact. Secret number 3 is to craft compelling and attention-grabbing subject lines. Your subject line is the first thing your subscribers see, so make it intriguing, curiosity-inducing, and relevant to the content of your email. Experiment with different subject line styles, such as posing questions, using numbers, or creating a sense of urgency. Keep your subject lines concise and avoid misleading or clickbait tactics that can harm your credibility. The fourth secret is to focus on delivering valuable and engaging email content. Provide your subscribers with informative articles, product recommendations, helpful tips, and exclusive offers. Aim to establish yourself as a trusted authority in your niche and a valuable resource for your subscribers. Balance your promotional emails with valuable content to nurture your relationship with your subscribers. Remember, building trust is essential for long-term success in affiliate marketing. The fifth secret is to optimize your emails for mobile devices. With the majority of email opens happening on mobile, it's crucial to ensure your emails are responsive and visually appealing on small screens. Use mobile-friendly templates, keep your email design clean and easy to navigate, and test your emails on different devices and email clients. By providing a seamless mobile experience, you'll increase engagement and conversions. The final secret we'll cover is to constantly test, analyze, and optimize your email campaigns. A/B test different elements like subject lines, email designs, call to action buttons, or send times to determine what resonates best with your audience. Utilize analytics tools to track open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Identify patterns, learn from your data, and make data-driven decisions to continually improve the performance of your email marketing efforts. Congratulations! You've discovered powerful email marketing secrets for affiliate marketers. By building a targeted email list, segmenting your subscribers, crafting compelling subject lines, delivering valuable content, optimizing for mobile, and continually optimizing your campaigns, you can take your affiliate marketing to new heights. Also, if you want to start making awesome videos like this one just by adding text and generating fully customized videos with a few clicks of a button. There is also a link in the description to join Pictory so you can start creating awesome videos instantly with a free trial. Thanks for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in your affiliate marketing journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others.